everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, hot and spicy Sriracha Chicken Tikka. It will be Sriracha hot chili sauce. It's a skinless, boneless chicken breast. I cut into smaller pieces and wash with cold water. And let's see what other ingredients we need. Pink salt, 1 teaspoon. Ground ginger, granulated garlic, granulated onion, half teaspoon each. Parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon. Sriracha hot chili sauce, half cup. And let's start marinating chicken. Add salt, ginger, garlic, onion, parsley flake, and chili sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. The longer the better. If you marinate overnight, that is the best thing to do it. But I'll marinate only 2 hours. The chicken has been marinated for 2 hours. Prior to putting in the air fryer, we're going to mix it one more time. I'm going to open the air fryer. Place the chicken inside. Spread it evenly. Once it's spread out, we'll put it in air fryer. Close it. It has a preset mode, so we're going to press it. For chicken, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 204 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, our Sriracha Chicken Tikka will be ready. I'm going to turn it on. After 10 minutes, I'm going to come back and we're going to flip the chicken over, then we'll put it back again. And within 20 minutes, our Sriracha Chicken Tikka will be ready. It's exactly 10 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. And we're going to make sure we turn it over. Once all the chicken pieces are moved around, spread it evenly and place it back into the air fryer. Close it and it will pick up the same time, 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, it will be fully done. 1 more minute to go. We're just waiting for the final beat. It's all done. I'll open it. Look at how delicious our Sriracha Chicken Tikka. This is moist, tender, juicy, and best of all, this is oil-free, oilless cooking. Now I'll share with you. I have my serving plate ready. Our delicious chicken tikka. Sprinkle some parsley flake, and this is the perfect Sriracha Chicken Tikka. It's all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. And this is the best appetizer. It's a moist, tender, and best of all, oilless, oil-free cooking in air fryer. Please try this recipe and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.